All my life been looking for it. I think I found something to help with easing the pain. This voice inside my head isn't dead. I think it's growing. And soon we will be one and the same. I've been going to the racetrack. Spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into it, ain't track. How about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. Oh no. You blame it on the recipe. Do what you want to me, 'cause I could never let it go. You tossed my body at the sea. Claim it was a tragedy, but I think everyone will know. You moved into the tag, so I sneak out the back. Yes, I can feel that it is time to go. So we start up the chase. I am out of this place, 'cause I could never just lay low. I've been going to the racetrack. Spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into it, ain't track. How about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. Oh no. I've been going to the racetrack. Spent all my money on the dog in the bed. I put my heart into it, ain't track. How about that? My life was perfect, now it's starting to crack. Oh no.
There you go, mate. There you go.
I'd like to think I'm on your mind. I'd like to think we'll be alright. I see it faded eyes, the future, it's heavy on my mind, on my mind. We've been talking about the situation, talking slowly. We didn't figure it out, we've been learning. Rolling with the just going quickly. We give her Tina a heart attack.
way to have more people, more confidence. If you do stuff, you don't want to do it.
Cold showers in the morning, vodka at night. I'm levitating ghosts now, doing alright. Living it up, letting you down, lagging away. Cold glass on the street, vodka indoors. I'm a legislating boss now, licking the floors. And I'm living it up, letting you down, lagging away. Yeah.
Well, I could have communicated. It's
Everybody's chasing something. I gotta run to my party. I know, you know, I'm so fun. Yeah, I just wanna cry a river. I can float down in the sun. Everybody's in the kitchen.
So we're on a trail from between Glencoe and Oban. It's about 40 miles, but I think we're going to go down to a place called Gregan and stop at a bar or an inn to chill out for a bit. But this whole trail is like the old Oban railway. So you got tunnels and you got station platforms and things like that along it, and it's just like this. It's just lovely, smooth, flat tarmac with some really cool forest and mountain bits. Honestly, it's the most beautiful ride. Honestly, it's phenomenal. And what have we got? We've got Sherman S, RS19 and Sherman S. So Sherman S is obviously no problem in terms of range.
What you feel inside, you know that it's gonna come out. What you feel inside, you know that it's gonna come out. What you feel inside, you know that it's gonna come out. What you feel inside.
Hi guys, so we're at Cregan. We've just stopped, just having a drink. I don't know, we've done what, 20 odd miles perhaps, something like that, I think. 20-ish, go with that. About 20 miles, and it's 20 miles back, so it'll be a nice 40-mile ride. And yeah, we just can chill out here, which we made absolutely incredible views again.
Walking down the street, Hollywood and fine, looking for a better way to pass the time. At the bus stop, a homeless man put out his fist, tried to shake his hand, but he grabbed my wrist. The billboard was promoting someone I knew, but boy, I'm glad I'm not in his shoes, 'cause I'm free, spirit forever. I am free, spirit forever. Patrolman let me go, $200 bill. Better let me sign this page in your book. Leave the town feeling like I'm some kind of crook. The border police noticed the guitar. They asked me if I was gonna be a star. 'Cause I'm free, spirit forever. I am free, spirit forever. I don't wanna work for anyone but me. That's my biggest plan, forever being free. It's better to spend time with someone that you love. No looking back on life, 'cause you're free, spirit forever. Free, spirit forever.